Despite rumors of manufacturing problems, Apple has started stepping up display production for the iPhone 15 lineup. Shipments are anticipated to be greater than those of the iPhone 14 series, and each model is likely to have a dynamic island, which makes display manufacture more difficult. According to earlier rumors, LG Display was having trouble making the tiny bezeled hole punch panels. The iPhone 15 component order ramp-up has increased to be even higher than the iPhone 14 orders for the June to August period tracked by the report, according to a new report from Display Supply Chain Consultants, which contradicts the earlier report and claims that LG Display has overcome these early production issues and display orders have increased. A new procedure was implemented to eliminate issues by effectively creating a dam around the cutout. It seems that LG displays were notably experiencing problems with cutting out the holes for the selfie camera and facial ID components, which led to growing dark areas. The story provided further information regarding the iPhone 15 lineup, such as Apple's potential $100 price rise for each model. The history of DSCC and Ross Young lend credence to this claim, which also highlighted the expected improvements in display size and the forthcoming USB-C port. Given the supply chain information at hand, we have rated this rumor as plausible. Apple is anticipated to introduce the iPhone 15 lineup during an event in September. To forecast the iPhone 15 debut date, you may look at historical events and their release, which would include the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, iPhone 15, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The usual trends, for example, the iPhone 14 was announced on September 7 and 3 of its 4 models went on sale starting on September 16. The iPhone 14 Plus was released later. Apple typically releases its yearly iPhone during the first or second week of September, frequently on Tuesdays but occasionally on Wednesdays. Since we have a chance of it replacing the current iPhone SE, I believe that if Apple reveals the iPhone 15 lineup on October 7 and the iPhone 15 small isn't there, it's enough evidence that the phone, at least as a flagship model, is genuinely gone. Apple often releases an upgrade for the iPhone SE in the spring, and it typically takes 2 years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.